যেন কালাকালি ফেলো না।
I'm Dr. Shejiti Shaha. I'm a scientist at the Child Health Research Foundation, Bangladesh. I focus on meningitis because it's a severe form of disease and it can lead to not only death but also disability of many, many children. When a child suffers from disability, it's not only the child whose life is disabled, the entire family is affected. The entire family becomes disabled. Unfortunately, in Bangladesh and actually many parts of the world, meningitis is very common, but in most cases, we don't understand the cause. Even if we understand that it's due to an infection, exactly what microbe or what pathogen is causing meningitis can be very difficult to understand. And when you know the cause, you have a chance at saving children's lives. Through a collaboration with the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, the Chan Zuckerberg Initiative, and Chan Zuckerberg BioHub, along with the Child Health Research Foundation, we set out to understand what are the root causes of meningitis in Bangladesh and perhaps beyond. When we suspect that a child has meningitis, what we do is called a spinal tap or a lumbar puncture. In that process, we draw a little bit of the fluid inside our spinal cord called the cerebrospinal fluid or the CSF, and we can test that using metagenomics. And that is where sequencing comes in. In metagenomic sequencing, we sequence every bit of nucleic acid. We try to understand what is the microbe that is present in that sample that is causing the disease. The bigger challenge now is finding and paying for the computational power to process all of that data. About a year ago, we learned about Chan Zuckerberg ID, a free software tool that can interpret the genetic information generated from a metagenomic sequencing sample. You upload the sample, Chan Zuckerberg ID does the rest. It compares the data to all known pathogens, ultimately leading us to that needle in the haystack. This allowed us to go back into our freezer and take out samples from cases of meningitis where we were not able to find the cause using traditional lab tools. Using metagenomics and with the help of Chan Zuckerberg ID, we were able to solve 50% of these mysterious cases. We can use Chan Zuckerberg ID to figure out how to treat the child the best. Also, we can look into the future, knowing what are the common causes of disease. We can facilitate, guide vaccination policies. I believe science should be by and for the many, not the few.